We are halfway through 2025, so I assume that most of you guys are using some kind of AI daily. It can be ChatGPT, Meta AI, Gemini, or many others, but most of them are probably AI chatbot. But because ChatGPT Pro costs like $200 a month and I'm broke, so let's make our own AI chatbot. So just to let you know why the title is I actually created and is leading a team of 14 developers who are dedicated to this project. Long story short, I heard about competition where you can submit your own AI chatbot and win some cash, so of course I wanted to try. But because I have no experience at all in Python and in coding in general, I actually just got my first computer like 2 years ago, so I went on Python Discord server and asked if there anyone who wanted to join me. I only allow beginner because I don't want to be the worst in the team and got carry, and also I want to create some opportunity for beginners to make some wonderful project. So somehow I gathered 13 wonderful people from all around the world. Here are the members you can see here, and we form a team called Close AI, a very original name, and plan on creating our first ever AI chatbot using no pre-made resource at all, ChatGPT, another very original name. So I actually have had tons of ideas and designed the whole chatbot before founding the team, so here's what I made. So to even code it an AI, we need to make some neurons network for it. A kind of a neurons network, because neuron network is just too confusing for me and my team as we are so new to all of this. So instead of making an actual one, I got an idea to make a neurons network inspired system and created what I call the confidence system. So what it is exactly? Simply put, is just a system to calculate confidence through neurons network, of course. Here's the demonstration. So when you chat with the bot, it can have 3 different tiers of confidence. The first one is above 80% confident, where it will respond normally. But if the confidence is below 80% and above 50%, it will guess the response and the user can have it to know if it's a good response or not. And the last one is when the confidence drops below 50%. It will treat the question as unknown and will ask the user to help it out, and the user can of course freely choose to do it or not. This is probably the most crucial feature of the bot because it helps the chatbot learn from its mistake. Just to make it better, we also made that the store memory will be loaded frequently during the chat, so the chatbot can remember whatever you say to it during the chat and even after the chat. But we cannot just make some neurons and call it a day, so we made another feature called vocabulary system. To explain it, first you have to understand how my chatbot understands a sentence. Normally when you type hello, a chatbot will understand it and respond back something like hi. But when you type something like hey with the similar meaning to hello, any chain model will understand it and respond back, but my chatbot uses no pre-made resource and it's so simple. So to simplify it, we made that every synonyms of a word will be normalized to one single main word, like how hi, hey, sup, and words like that will be all understood as hello. But it's not that simple because my chatbot is so simple. A little bit of modification can sometimes cause a necessary problem. So to cope with that, we make that every word can be generalized as one main word. For example, is, are, was, were will all be normalized as be, so when you say you are dumb, it will be understood as you be dumb. This is important because it makes it easier for the chatbot to understand the sentence. Just imagine how non-native people use English.
No need check, I know have your shirt.
But that is still not enough. We need more if we want to win that competition. So we made another feature called grammar understanding system. This one is probably the hardest one to make because there are so many approaches to it. But our way is we identify each word as noun, verb, adjective, and things like that. Then we code a system so that the chatbot can understand the same sentence when put differently. For example, a passive sentence will be normalized as a more simple active sentence, like how you will be punched by me will be understood as I punched you. So yeah, those are all the main features of the bot, but there are still some more smaller features, like name recognition, where your name can be recognized by the chatbot and appear on the chat loop. Removable words, so words that are not important will be removed to help the chatbot understand the sentence easier. And of course, debug mode helps you see how the bot works and fix it if there any problem. But that is almost everything about ChatGPT 1.0, so you can download it and try it out in the link in the description and comments. And don't worry, because the link will always contain the latest version of the chatbot, so you don't have to check out my latest video. But please check out my latest video. Thank you.